Hello, I'm Mihela. Today we talk about a bird that you may be surprised to hear is more common than you think. The scaly-breasted munia. The scaly-breasted munia or spotted munia, known in the pet trade as Nutmeg Mannikin or spice finch, is a sparrow-sized Asturian finch. Attractive small songbird of grasslands, gardens, fields and agricultural areas. Its name is based on the distinct scale-like feather markings on the breast and belly. The species is endemic to Asia and occurs from India and Sri Lanka east to Indonesia and the Philippines. It has been introduced into many other parts of the world. Typical adult dark chestnut brown above, white below with fine dark scaly pattern on belly. Some populations duller brown. Juveniles pale brown all over with slightly paler underparts. Typically found in small flocks, sometimes mixed with other species of munia. This munia eats mainly grass seeds apart from berries and small insects. Their calls are like locally named Laya, KaAvuru, Wee-kurulla. I have seen the scaly-breasted munia everywhere. Quite contrary to what you may think, this bird can be spotted everywhere. You may not see this bird thinking it's a sparrow. With close inspection, you can easily spot this bird.